Welcome to Schogini Systems Private Limited, where trust, experience, and innovation converge. Our journey began in 1997 when we launched our hosting service, meticulously catering to a select group of highly satisfied customers. Our commitment to excellence soon earned us recognition as the best hosting service multiple times. In 2001, Jessica Keyes, in her acclaimed book, Web Developer's Ultimate Guide, highlighted Schogini Systems, showcasing our hosting services as examples of industry-leading solutions. This recognition solidified our position as a trusted name in the hosting world. Over the years, we evolved with the times, expanding our offerings to include cutting-edge cloud solutions. Today, we stand at the forefront of AI and related technologies, bringing you unparalleled expertise in chatbot automation, social media automation, and beyond. Let's hear some of our client testimonials.
Dear Schogini, thank you for 10 years of frontline service. I have continuously been impressed with your fast, expert, and courteous service that has continued to improve and expand, keeping not just up to date, but also user-friendly. I never feel intimidated or stupid, even though I know the problem is not with Schogini or its services, but from my side. Thank you for 10 smooth years. You have made life for me on the internet possible. Tom Hebe, Manager, Tom's English Services.
After trying several recommended expert e-commerce companies, we stumbled across Schogini. In a last-ditch effort to undo and repair the damages the previous irreputable company had done, and after in-depth discussions explaining our brief, we engaged Schogini. The results were immediate. As promised, within 1 week the problems had been ironed out and all errors removed from our site. Schogini offers a wide range of services, so we now keep all of our e-commerce within the one company. We now proceed with e-commerce tasks with confidence. It is without hesitation we recommend Schogini and are happy to discuss further by phone or email. Ant Harding, founder and director, Stanley Lewis.
Our team of experts is dedicated to delivering solutions that not only meet, but exceed your expectations. With over 27 years of experience, we have honed our skills to provide you with the best in hosting, cloud solutions, and AI-driven automation. Schogini Systems offers comprehensive solutions for your business needs, from automated social media content generation and posting to intelligent chatbot interactions. Our services are designed to enhance your digital presence and drive meaningful engagement. Trust, experience, and innovation. That's the Schogini promise. Join us and experience the future of hosting and AI automation today. Visit us at Schogini.com to learn more.